This house here is 431 Aberdeen Avenue here in Hamilton. It has been around for 103 years, and the best time for this house may be right now. So let's look at 3 reasons that will make you go wow about 431 Aberdeen Avenue. Well, number 1, this house was made for entertaining. As soon as you step through the front door off the veranda, you will find the historic charm combined with modern elegance. The living room opens up to an expansive dining room, perfect for dinner parties or testing out new recipes on family and friends. This huge chef's kitchen includes a walk-in pantry, a kitchen island, and even a built-in bookshelf to fill with all your baking inspirations and guides to becoming a master chef. Through the back door, you will find an enclosed backyard retreat with a canopy of trees overhead, new upgrades, and the perfect place to entertain outside on a summer night. If you're looking to entertain in a more casual way, you have the option of a games or movie night in the downstairs rec room retreat with its own ensuite washroom. You even have a wet bar so you don't have to go very far for refreshments. You can have a games night downstairs, a formal dinner party in the living room, and the kids or family members fast asleep upstairs, which leads me to wow number 2, the extraordinary bedrooms. All 3 bedrooms are huge. The smallest of the bedrooms has 2 windows with ample room for a bed and a desk. The principal bedroom was originally 2 separate rooms, but it is now 1 combined bedroom with a large built-in closet with an extra one for those overflow items. And like a cherry on top of the sundae, we have a loft on the top floor. There is plenty of room for a bedroom and an office, north and south facing windows, plus a skylight to brighten up this getaway space. Well, number 3, what's old is new again in the washroom. Here you have all the conveniences of a modern washroom with a nod to its stylish past. One-of-a-kind clawfoot tub with overhead shower, a classic 1920s black and white hexagon tile design on the floor with tiled walls and a classic black trim, a triumphant tribute to the great designs of the 1920s when this house was built. With a house this age, many of us would be excited to find some historic charm inside, but worry it may lack the modern design perks we want. Well, put those fears aside, 431 Aberdeen blends fresh modern style with its historic past, and it certainly makes you go, wow. I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate.